Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers. Today's episode is going to be a little short, mainly because we had a really crazy week at the shop. We had to do some construction job sites, and also my van broke down and threw all my schedule off. So here's what happened this week. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered.
Alright guys, episode 24. I just finished welding the firebox to the body on this beautiful backyard unit, and this morning I went out on a drive and picked up some tanks. Well, this first one ain't worth nothing, but these two are actually cool tanks. This one, the red one, is a 24-inch diameter, 60 centimeters. It can be built as a double door Tanker 500 or as a 90-gallon backyard unit if I shorten it a bit. And this one is a 20-inch. It's good backyard size. It's pretty long. Can be a 90-gallon or maybe shorten it up a bit, make a really cool 65. Anyway, if anybody's interested, just send me a message. Right now I'm loading the van because tomorrow we're going to a job site. Alright guys, it's Thursday. We've been doing all this crap that we still have a couple of doors to do. Not too bad. And we're done. Alright guys, it's Saturday. Yesterday my van broke down. I have to do the clutch on it. So today I came to work because yesterday I couldn't. And I finished the stack assembly for the Bbq Guy's backyard pit. It's the same as the bigger ones, but smaller. Got your damper. And I've also done the firebox door. Looking good. I like the hex doors better than the round ones. This one is going to be a badass little pit. I like it. Alright guys, it's Sunday. I'm late for this episode. It should be up already. But here I am at home, smoking some pork belly on the heavyweight. Later I'm gonna grill some pork steaks for lunch. I just wanted to say I'm putting this one up for sale because I want to build new stuff. And I really love this pit, but I need room. So if anybody wants it, I'll do a full reseasoning. I'll tweak a couple things. I'll put some proper tell-through gauges on it, and I'll send it your way. This is the pit that started my brand, so it's special to me. I'll give you a really good price on it.
And that's it for today, folks. I hope next week I can give you a more interesting episode to watch. But if you're interested in one of those tanks or the heavyweight, just send me a message and let's make it happen. You know the drill. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment, or ask any questions you want. I'll see you in the next one.